When it comes to action cameras, DJI has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation. With the newly launched Osmo Action 5 Pro, the brand aims to redefine what an action camera can achieve. This latest iteration packs cutting-edge stabilization, an enhanced sensor, and powerful video capabilities, making it an exciting choice for content creators and adventurers alike. In this in-depth review, we'll break down everything you need to know about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, its features, performance, real-world usability, and how it stands against the competition. Whether you're a vlogger, a filmmaker, or simply an enthusiast looking for the best action camera, this deep dive will give you all the insights you need. Design and build quality, premium, compact, and rugged. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro stays true to its predecessors, but brings a refined and more durable build. Constructed with high-grade aluminum alloy, this camera feels significantly more premium than the previous generation. It maintains the familiar compact form factor, but introduces reinforced waterproofing, allowing it to go up to 18 meters deep without an external case. The dual-screen setup remains, but the front-facing display is now 20% brighter, making it easier to frame shots in harsh lighting conditions. The touchscreen is also more responsive, with improved touch sensitivity for seamless navigation through settings and modes. A standout addition is the removable lens cover that provides better scratch resistance and allows for easy ND filter swaps. If you're someone who loves cinematic footage in bright daylight, this is a game changer. Sensor and image quality, next level performance. The biggest upgrade in the Osmo Action 5 Pro is the new 1-inch sensor, a significant leap from the previous models. This allows for better dynamic range, improved low-light performance, and more detailed imagery, even in challenging conditions. Key imaging specs include 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second for super slow-motion footage, 10-bit color depth for richer and more accurate color reproduction, horizon steady 2.0 to maintain level shots even in extreme movements. The low-light capabilities have seen a major boost, with better noise reduction and cleaner shadows compared to its predecessor. Whether you're filming an adventure at sunrise or capturing the city lights at night, this camera delivers exceptional clarity. Stabilization. Gimbal-like smoothness without the gimbal. Action cameras thrive on stability, and DJI has perfected its rock-steady stabilization with this model. The rock-steady 4.0 algorithm, combined with Horizon Steady 2.0, ensures buttery smooth footage, eliminating shakes and jitters even in the most intense scenarios. Running, biking, or even skydiving, the footage remains smooth. Horizon Lock keeps shots steady even when the camera rotates 360 degrees. Advanced EIS, electronic image stabilization, minimizes motion blur. Whether you're vlogging while walking or capturing high-intensity action, the stabilization on the Osmo Action 5 Pro rivals that of high-end gimbal setups. Audio performance, clear and crisp. Audio is an area where action cameras often struggle, but DJI has made serious improvements in the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Featuring a triple mic array, it captures cleaner and more dynamic sound while reducing wind noise. Additionally, the camera now supports external USB-C microphones without requiring an adapter, a major plus for content creators who demand professional-grade audio. Battery life, longer recording, less charging. Battery life is another strong suit of the Osmo Action 5 Pro. With its 1,770 mAh extreme battery, you get up to 160 minutes of continuous 1080p recording, 4K recording for approximately 90 minutes, fast charging support, 80% charge in just 20 minutes. For long filming sessions, this improvement is a game changer, ensuring you don't miss important moments due to battery constraints. Smart features and connectivity. DJI has packed the Osmo Action 5 Pro with a suite of smart features to enhance the user experience. AI-enhanced scene detection adjusts exposure and color settings automatically. Quick switch button for seamless mode transitions. Voice control 2.0, allowing hands-free operation in extreme conditions. DJI Mimo app integration for wireless file transfers and real-time monitoring. Sharing content has also been made easier with built-in Wi-Fi 6, enabling ultra-fast file transfers directly to your phone or computer. Final verdict. Is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro worth it? If you're in the market for an action camera that delivers superior image quality, unmatched stabilization, longer battery life, and premium build quality, then the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a fantastic choice. It's clear that DJI is not just competing with GoPro, but is setting new standards for what action cameras can achieve. With an improved sensor, enhanced audio, better durability, and pro-level video capabilities, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is easily one of the best action cameras available today. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an adventure enthusiast, this camera is built to elevate your content creation experience. Would you buy the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro over GoPro? Let us know in the comments below.